Hello, hello. Welcome. This is Ms. Western. Today we're gonna cook some rice and pork chops. So far, I have the pork chops. What I did was I went and put some sofrito on it, some good stuff. And this is some garlic pepper seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. Set it up so you can see the pork chops. Go ahead and put it on both sides. This is Italian seasoning. I put this stuff on everything. I don't know about you, but yeah, that's what I do. I got the rice going right now. This is some white rice going, boiling in the pot. Sazon for the pork chops. Go ahead and put some sazon. You can also add some of this in your rice to make your rice a little yellow when it's almost done. And go ahead and sprinkle some sazon on it. Sazon. And go ahead and flip them over and do the other side. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 380. 385. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and drizzle the rest of the sofrito on there. On those pork chops. Oh, I forgot to flip this one. Alright, sprinkle some more sazon. And then I'm gonna, I saved a little in the packet, I put it in the rice while it's boiling. That'll turn the rice a little yellow. Alright, Italian seasoning, garlic seasoning. Go ahead and just put that on there. I'm actually going to go ahead and take this and just like flip them over again. I flipped it on top of that one and then just like flip it over. Get it all like nice and lathered. I don't like to touch it with my hands. If you know me, people who know me know that I don't really like to touch it with my hands. So I mush it all up together. And that works just as good as throwing it in a bag and shaking it. Alright, so this is what the pork chops look like now. They look super delicious. They're not even cooked. So yeah. Let me show you. I got the rice going. It's in kind of a small pot. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have to go ahead and put that in a bigger pot. Or just add some more water. So I added some more water in the rice. And I'm going to show you what I did with the sauce. So I have this sauce, Goya tomato sauce. And where's the can? I think I threw the can out. I'll show you the can. And red beans, red kidney beans. And I also put sofrito in the sauce. So that's the beans, the sofrito, and the sauce. Go ahead and turn that on the medium. Just bring it up to a boil. So this is the sauce, the beans, sofrito, and you know I like to add Italian to everything. So I go ahead and put a little Italian in there. And why not some garlic sauce too? So yeah, sometimes you can whatever things that you like that you think taste good in food, sometimes you can just add a little something to your food to make it a little bit different. But yeah, you see I changed for my rice. Needed a bigger pot. The stove is almost at 380. Whenever that gets to 380, I'm gonna go ahead and put these pork chops in for about a half an hour. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes. I cleaned up the counter. I did a little bit of dishes that I could get done. Now, let's see how those pork chops look. Go back out over here. Alright. Alright, they look good. Alright, so they look done. Like usually if they look like they need to be in and be a little bit more crispier on the top, I would put in like another 5-10 minutes. But 30 minutes on 380 did it right. So here we go. We got the pork chops that are in the oven for 30 minutes at 380. And then just a simple white rice and the sauce and beans. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up and I'll show you the presentation.
Hey! Hey! Mommy!
Yeah.
He's